Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArns. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to using the snap camera and it shows no available camera input. Device is unavailable or used by another application. So how to fix this issue? And here I get this error message on my Windows 10 PC, but the same trick also works for all Windows based operating systems. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. And this type of errors are mostly occur due to your external web camera is not working properly. So if your web camera works smoothly, it shows your camera device name in the snap camera application. So how to check it if your web camera works or not? So now in this section, in top of right side, it has the one gear icon. So simply press on it. So here you can note one thing. In this camera section, it does not shows my web camera device name, which means that my web camera inserted USB port is not working properly. So you can unblock your web camera for a few minutes and then scroll down. So here you can press this view option and then scroll down. So and then click to clear that snap camera caches. So once you done these processes, just close this snap camera and also stop the snap camera process via task manager. So once you done these processes, just restart your Windows PC. So during the restarting, once again plug your same web camera in another working USB port. So after the restarting is completed, now once again I try to access my snap camera. Because I try to check it if it shows my web camera device name or not. So here my web camera is working. And also it shows my device name and it is mentioned as USB 2.0 camera. So the problem is fixed. So at same time, if you use the snap camera in your Zoom meeting and Google Meet products, make sure you are selecting the snap camera for recording. So how to check it? So just open your Zoom application. So here you can press that gear icon and then select video settings. So here you can check in this camera section it shows the snap camera application or not. So same way you can check it on your Google Meet. So now in this section you can press that same gear icon and then select video. So here also you can select snap camera. So once you select this I mentioned settings, in future this type of errors are not occurring. So due to the video time duration, I finished up my tutorial. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArns, and thanks for watching.